Hey guys, my name is Antonio Arce from Innovative Business Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you create a barcode using Excel. So the first thing you got to do is basically install that font into your computer. You can do that by downloading the font from this website. Once you click here and download the font and you have it, you can open it. Once you open it, you can come over here and basically you want to install this too. So you can click each one of those. You can see a preview of it, and then you can click install. I'm not going to do it in this video because I already have. I'm going to have an error. I can just replace it as well. It's kind of the same. So you want to install that one. Once it completed, you can go to the next one, do the same thing, install it, and close it out. At that point, you should have your fonts, including those two type of fonts or for barcodes. So if you want to Excel to understand it and make it visible and available in your font gallery here, you gotta reopen it. So in this example, I'm working with one of my customers, and she wants to assign a barcode for the 500 or so items she sells, right? She has 537 SKUs. So she wants to add a barcode. My recommendation is just create a barcode based on the database for her inventory. So in order to do this, we're just gonna add one column here. Click Insert. You want to add maybe a title. You can say barcode. And now, in order to make Excel recognize it as a barcode, you need to type in a formula using equal, and you got to start your barcode and finish it with your asterisk. So you basically want include double quotes here. Let me just zoom in a little bit so you can see it better. Sorry about that. So you can go here. You can type in equal, and then you within double quotes you add a asterisk. Close the with double quotes, add a ampersand so you can concatenate some text. And what you want to concatenate is basically this ID because this is what you want to become to be your barcode. So I'm going to click here to basically identify it as my column ID, since this table is formatted as a table instead of just simple text in Excel. In case you don't have a table formatted, you can select like A2 and it will automatically work there anyways. Then you want to continue this, and we got to finish it out with the asterisk again. So we put the double quotes in, add the asterisk, close with double quotes again, and you click here, and boom, you got this. Wow, yeah, but it's not a barcode. Yeah, what you need to do in order to understand it as a barcode, you got to change the font. The reason why we add the asterisk is because a barcode basically is the asterisk in the barcode represents the start and finish. So that's why you gotta write it that way so you can change it later on. Since I basically copied this formula all the way down by double clicking here, right? Let me just double check. It's all the way down. Now what you can do is just select all those fields, and now you can come over here and look for one barcode. Before this, I installed the code 128, but in this case, I want to use the other one I installed, which is this one, 3 of 9. So I'm going to select this one, and now I have my barcodes. You want this a little bit bigger, you can just select it again. And since this is just a font, just increase the font size, sorry. And that way you have a barcode that you can, copy and paste and use it going forward. So, well, basically, that's how you get a barcode instead of creating one by one through an app using Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I see you on the next one. Thank you.